train, let's say. Adventures on the track. He sees a cat, we see a bird, and they see a hat. It's sunny outside, so I wave hello. You ride the train too. Ready, set, go. Elm Jack says, I like the trees. Anna says, you like the bees. He laughs and she claps. We all cheer. Pronouns make our sentences clear. He feeds the cows, she pets the sheep. Yeah. We wash the ducks before they sleep. They play in the hay and I swing high. You join the fun, oh me, oh my. Clap your hands when you hear I. Stomp your feet when you eat. Spin around when you hear he. Jump up high when you hear she. Pronouns are words we use every day. They make our sentences bright and play. I, you, he, she, it's we, they. Pronouns help our words play. Use them every single day. Hop aboard the pronoun train, let's say. It's time to stop at the station door. I love this ride. You shout once more. He waved goodbye. She smiled.